This is Miko, Pogay. Ayan, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. So, update lang tayo ngayon sa Typhoon Faxai. So, honestly, nahirapan talaga ako ngayon dahil sobrang naapektuhan ang transportation dito sa Tokyo. At I believe marami pang area na apektuhan. So, ngayon, ang Typhoon Faxai talaga is grabe siya naka-eksena dito sa Tokyo. So, marami talagang naantala, maraming na-delay dahil nag-operate na ang train, mga alas 9 na ng umaga, ang iba alas 10. So, wala talagang masasakyan. At saka kinausap ko rin ang boss ko kasi sabi niya, pwede daw mag-taxi. Paano wala akong pang-taxi, di ba? Kasi mahirap ako dahil wala pa akong sahod. So, ngayon siguro magta-taxi ako, it's around 4 na lapad. So, di ba 20,000 din yun, dai? Kaya inantay ko na lang talaga ang first train galing sa amin papunta dito. Actually, sobrang hirap dahil ang traveling time ko lang talaga is 1 hour and a half. Pero ngayon umabot ako ng almost 3 hours para lang makapunta dito sa work ko. So ngayon, malapit na ako sa work ko. So perfect na. Okay, baby!
Japan's meteorological agency says Typhoon Faxai made landfall near Chiba City, east of Tokyo, at around 5 a.m. on Monday. Around 840,000 households were without power as of 6 a.m., according to Tokyo Electric Power Company. The storm is causing major disruptions for morning commuters. East Japan Railway says it's not sure when its services will resume. Other major operators have delayed the start of train services. Central Japan Railway suspended some Tokaido Shinkansen bullet train services, but operations have now resumed. And at the region's airports, more than 100 flights have been canceled. Heavy rain is expected to continue for some time. An evacuation order has been issued for about 2,000 people in Chiba Prefecture. Advisories had already been issued for about 400,000 people in parts of Shizuoka Prefecture and the Tokyo metropolitan area.
At ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat kung ano nga ba ang mga nangyayari sa mga stations at mga na-stranded na mga tao. Maluloka ka dahil sobra talagang raming stranded, baby. ayan, nakita po natin ang mga pangyayari dito sa Japan. Nawa po keep us keep us safe. Ganun ba yun? Please, pray for us and pray for the whole world. Para pray tayong lahat ganun, para safe tayong lahat. Okay, baby? At saka konting balita lang as per NHK World Japan. So, meron lang 10 na antala, ano tawag noon, na balita na injured, so na-hospitalized na sila. Pero mayroong milyon na mga tao, mga household na wala silang kuryente as of the moment. So, I'm hoping na safe naman lahat at saka walang nasaktan at walang namatay, lalo na kasi 'di ba ang hirap-hirap. But I'm very grateful dahil safety kami, pero kaninang umaga talaga sobrang lakas talaga ang ulan at hangin. Maluloka talaga at nagising na lang ako dahil na sobrang jug. Ganun talaga, jug. Ganyan. Pero anyway, thankful naman kasi safe naman and sound. May nagsabi pala kanina na wag na lang akong pumasok. Hindi po pwede dito sa Japan yon dahil work is work. May lagnat ka, may ano ka, basta kailangan magtrabaho. Kahit na late, pasok pa rin. Ganun lang po ang eksena.
At the core of the strong winds moving toward the north, and as it does so, the conditions across the Tokyo metro area will eventually deteriorate in terms of the strong winds. So you want to make sure that you're already indoors at this point because we were just checking the window outside of the studios at NHK, seeing the strong winds, and so it's definitely on its way at this point. And in terms of the core of the system, I want to point this out to you right there. The system eye seems to be collapsing a little bit upon itself, and so we're going to watch this closely as we progress through the evening hours. Let's take a look at the information that we've received so far from some other reports. Winds setting some records in Kozushima, gusts up to 187 kilometers per hour as we went throughout the evening hours. Hachijojima Airport, gusts up to 137 kilometers per hour. The story continues. Here's a look at the track here, moving toward the north at the moment. Whether it makes actual landfall, we'll have to watch and see. It may just graze the peninsula. We'll have to progress throughout the evening hours to see what happens. But nevertheless, already now, a good portion of the Kanto Koshin region now starting to pick up on the tropical storm force winds. And yeah, we're seeing the much more core intense winds now impacting the Izu Peninsula. Folks, we can see up to 400 millimeters of rainfall in portions of Shizuoka Prefecture. Please make sure you stay safe as the storm is making its approach.
Ayun, sa wakas, after 2 hours and a half, nakalabas na rin ako ng train. Ayun, papunta na ako ng subway. So, init-init day, grabe. Pawis na pawis ako. Kado. Sano. So, nandito na ako malapit na ako sa Sano Park Tower sa taas na lang. Okay, baby. Okay, so kunting push na lang. Eto na, paakyat na ako. Marami talagang late ngayon dahil. Hindi lang ako dahil. Ang rami namin dahil. Kaloka sa Japan dahil. Okay. Finally, I'm here na talaga. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So, papasok na ako sa work, baby. Ayan na, nakita nyo na. So, nasa loob na talaga ako dahil. Perfect. Dahil papasok na ako sa office dahil ang time ang oras ngayon is 11:45 in the morning. At saka hindi na talaga ako fresh dahil. Wala na pagka-freshness ang lola nyo dahil. Okay, so let's get it on. Pasok na ako, baby. Ayan, maraming salamat for watching. This is Miko Pogay. Anyan po, live na live tayo na nag-report sa inyong lahat. Pak Pak Japan, bye!